Hey, what's up guys? A lot of people have been asking what I used to build this board, and so here it is. Can you zoom in? So this board is using two 6384 190 kV motors from FSESC. I'm using the VX2 Remote and the FSESC 6.6 Plus motor controller. What else? So this build started at the beginning of last winter. I'm using a 12S 8P battery. The deck was handmade by me. The battery enclosure was handmade by me. Battery pack was handmade by me. This board can do around 69 kilometers an hour. Not me, that's too fast. And so far from all the riding and testing I've done, I'd say about 80 kilometer range with some moderate to hard riding. So we're gonna do a little speed run real quick, and that'll be that.